4 wide through the triangle. Here comes Kyle Busch. He goes to the outside as they come to the stripe. Kyle Busch will win at Talladega.
Good job, dude. Good job.
What a move by Kyle Busch and his teammate Aric Almirola. They figured it out. Kyle figured it out. All he needed was a teammate behind him.
Unbelievable. Aric Almirola, I owe everything to Aric Almirola today. You know, sticking behind me on that, from that last pit stop to the end. I told him if he just stayed with me, they wouldn't be able to beat the 15 and 51s.
I know it was a 1-2 finish for Billy Ballou. I just wanted to be one bad.